Are you looking for the best bridge cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best bridge cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Nikon Coolpix P950. Nikon's second generation 83x zoom camera, the Coolpix P950, is a refinement of the P900. This model is more responsive, adds RAW photo and 4K video support, and boasts a better burst mode. The lens, which covers a staggering 24 to 2000 mm range, is the real star. It zooms in further than almost every other camera, a plus if you're trying to get pictures of distant subjects, while still offering wide-angle coverage in line with standard zoom lenses and the main lens on many smartphones. Wildlife specialists who need more zoom power than most swappable lens models offer are sure to see the appeal of the P950. It's not much bigger than a consumer SLR, but it gets tight views without an arm-sized lens. You won't get the same type of picture quality as you can with an interchangeable lens camera and dedicated telezoom, but you won't have to carry as much weight or spend as much money to get there. Even so, the P950 is more of a niche camera for enthusiasts than a family camera. If you're after the latter, don't forget about the Canon SX70HS. Dimensions: 4.3 by 5.5 by 5.9 inches. Weight: 2.2 pounds. Type: Super Zoom. Sensor resolution: 16 MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: 1/2.3 6.2 by 4.6 mm. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: SDXC, UHSI. Battery type: Nikon EN-EL20A. Minimum ISO: 100. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. 24 mm. 35 mm equivalent, telephoto. 2000 mm. Optical zoom: 83x. Stabilization: optical. Display size: 3.2 inches. Display resolution: 921,600 dots. Touchscreen. Viewfinder type: EVF. Viewfinder magnification: EVF resolution: 2.36 million dots. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microphone, 3.5 mm, micro USB, micro HDMI. Maximum waterproof depth: 0 feet. Video resolution: 4K. HDMI output: yes. Flat profile. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ80. The Panasonic FZ80 is our value pick in this segment because it costs much less than the Canon SX70HS but still offers much of the same utility. Its extra-wide 20 to 1200 mm zoom lens means it can handle everything from landscapes and architecture to wildlife. It also includes some better-than-budget features, such as an eye-level viewfinder, 4K video capabilities, a touchscreen, and the option to snap RAW photos. This camera doesn't require much user effort to produce attractive results. It has plenty of zoom power, too, but you have to take care to use the flash in low-light environments or, better yet, grab your smartphone for snapshots in tough light. Dimensions: 3.7 by 5.1 by 4.7 inches. Weight: 1.4 pounds. Type: Super Zoom. Sensor resolution: 18 MP. Sensor type: BSI CMOS. Sensor size: 1/2.3 6.2 by 4.6 mm. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: SDXC, UHSI. Battery type: Panasonic DMW BMB9PP. Minimum ISO: 80. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. 20 mm. 35 mm equivalent, telephoto. 1200 mm. Optical zoom. 60x. Stabilization. Optical. Display size. 3 inches. Display resolution. 1.04 million dots. Touch screen. Viewfinder type. EVF. Viewfinder magnification. EVF resolution. 1.17 million dots. Connectivity. Wi-Fi, micro HDMI, micro USB. Maximum waterproof depth. 0 feet. Video resolution. 4K. HDMI output. Yes. Flat profile. Number 2. Sony CyberShot DSC RX10 IV. Sony invented the Type 1 bridge camera with the original RX10. The fourth generation model emphasizes performance with a 24 to 600 mm f2.4-4 zoom lens, a 20MP Type 1 sensor, and phase detection focus for 24 frames per second subject tracking. A dust and splash resistant build, sharp EVF, and a decent number of physical controls help support its premium price. The RX10 IV makes a lot of sense for nature and wildlife photographers who value a light kit or who simply don't want to spend a fortune on telephoto lenses. If you want a travel camera with picture quality that keeps up with the computational wizardry of the latest smartphones, this won't disappoint. Dimensions: 3.7 by 5.2 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 2.4 pounds. Type: Super Zoom. Sensor resolution: 20 MP. Sensor type: BSI CMOS. Sensor size: 1 inch, 13.2 by 8.8 mm. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: SDXC, UHSI, memory stick duo. Battery type: Sony NP-FW50. Minimum ISO: 64. Maximum ISO: 12,800. 35 mm equivalent, wide. 24 mm. 35 mm equivalent, telephoto. 600 mm. Optical zoom: 25x. Stabilization. Optical. Display size: 3 inches. Display resolution: 1.44 million dots. Touch screen. Viewfinder type: EVF. Viewfinder magnification: 0.7x. EVF resolution: 2.36 million dots. Connectivity: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro HDMI, micro USB, microphone, 3.5 mm, headphone, 3.5 mm. Maximum waterproof depth: 0 feet. Video resolution: 4K. HDMI output: 4:2:28-bit. Flat profile. Number 1. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. The Canon PowerShot SX70HS is our favorite bridge camera available today. Its lens covers a wide range and we like both the automatic and manual control options. This reasonably priced camera also boasts snappy autofocus, sharp photo quality, and a 4K recording option. Our major complaint is that the camera is hard to find at retail as of this writing. Canon has struggled to keep it in stock, so you may have to wait to buy it. This is a good pick for family photographers, backyard wildlife watchers, naturalists, and others who want to snap everything from a view of Horseshoe Bend to a close-up of a bird snacking away at a feeder. It's a worthwhile upgrade in zoom power over a smartphone and isn't nearly as expensive or complicated to use as a swappable lens model. Dimensions: 3.6 by 5.0 by 4.6 inches. Weight: 1.3 pounds. Type: Super Zoom. Sensor resolution: 20 MP. Sensor type: BSI CMOS. Sensor size: 1/2.3 6.2 by 4.6 mm. Memory card slots. 1. Memory card format. SDXC, UHSI. Battery type. Canon LPE12. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum ISO 3200. 35 mm equivalent, wide. 21 mm. 35 mm equivalent, telephoto. 1365 mm. Optical zoom 65x. Stabilization. Optical. Display size 3 inches. Display resolution 920,000 dots. Touch screen. Viewfinder type EVF. Viewfinder magnification EVF resolution 2.36 million dots. Connectivity. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro HDMI, micro USB, microphone, 3.5 mm. Maximum waterproof depth 0 feet. Video resolution 4K. HDMI output. Yes. Flat profile.